Strategy for poverty eradication. The vicious cycle of poverty is increasing its grip. Reasons for it have been understood in short. On the basis of it, it has become very easy to understand which type of strategy is to be adopted to remove the poverty. Students, the five types of strategies are there, and the strategies are very big. So students, you have to comprehend the strategies and you have to learn it. Till now, 11th year plan has been completed. Till then, neglection of rural area is the strategy for development of Indian economy. Work plan is found mainly responsible for the poverty. In the 11th year plan, removal of the poverty in the rural area. Golden pinnacle of the Indian economy may be there in the urban area, but base lies in the rural area only. Golden pinnacle matlab shikhar, that Indian economy may be there in the rural area, urban area, but base lies in the rural area only. Villages are the heart of the Indian economy. So, in order to keep them alive and prosperous, a large part of budget should have been spent after them. So villages are considered as the heart. So more precaution should be taken for the development of the villages. Actual economic development, social development, cultural development of India possible by developing villages only. Thus, through the program Gramodaya se Bharat Uday, government has implemented the basic idea that the upliftment of the country is possible only through the upliftment of the villages. Gramodaya se Bharat Uday. So, when we want to uplift our country, it is necessary to uplift the villages. Central and the state government have emphasis on implementation of new plans, programs for the removal of the poverty. Both the government, central and the state government, decided a plans for the removal of the poverty. For the stress has been laid on the improvement of the basic needs, development of the agriculture sector, cottage, small scale industry, etc. If opportunities for employment will be created, a flow of income will increase and poverty will decrease. Now first strategy I am going to explain you. Students, 5 strategies are there. You have to write it down, 5 strategies. This will ask for in section D also and C also. So 5 strategies you have to do it. Clear? After the independence, government has a thrust to development of large scale and heavy industries, key industry, with the slogans that Garibi Hatao. Government has started the programs for the removal of the poverty, that the slogan Garibi Hatao. For their development, encouragement has been given to the development of the cities. On the other hand, with the objectives of Green Revolution, so Land Reform Act have been implemented. So the development of the agriculture, development is there in the agriculture sector. So government started development in the cities also by establishing iron and steel industry, and in the villages also. As a result of which production will increase, employment opportunities will be created. So employment will be increased and poverty level could be reduced. It was believed that as a result, a development of the industry, benefits achieved by the owners of the industry will increase. So income of the rich farmer, landlord will be distributed among the poor people, and thus it will decrease in. But the strategies proved to be the optimistic bubbler. So government has established the iron and steel industry in the urban area and started green revolution in the rural area. So only the industry owner will benefited, and in the villages the rich landlord benefited through the green revolution. Speed of economic development of the country remains low. Along with the slow economic development, distribution of the income was inequitable. Rich become more richer, poor become more poor, and unequal. As a result of it, wealth was concentrated in the hand of the few rich people only. Thus, no improvement was there in the condition of the poor people. As a result of improper distribution of income, rich become more richer and poor remains more poor. So second strategy, In order to remove the disparity of the income, disparity matlab inequality of the income, government frames such a type of taxation policy. So for the equitable income distribution, government framed the taxation policy so that the poor may get commodities essential for their life. Production of such commodities increases. For this purpose, heavy tax was levied on the luxurious goods used by the rich people and service of the luxurious and enjoyment. So government levied a heavy tax on the luxurious good which only rich people is having. For this strategy was made to provide essential commodities to the poor from fair price shops under public distribution system. So government started giving the foods which are goods which are necessary for the poor people at a reasonable rate. So government has started the fair price shops or rationing shops. By doing so, it has tried to improve the living standard of the poor. Thus, government has tried that there should be decrease in the production of luxurious items utilized by rich. Available resources should be utilized to produce the commodities used by the poor people. So government tried to decrease the production of the luxurious goods used by the rich people and try to increase the necessary goods that's used by the poor people. Therefore, government has undertaken such efforts. As a result, there will be increase in the employment among the poor, ability to work would increase the production, finally income would increase and leading to better lifestyle. So student, in this strategy you have to remember government tried to impose the taxation on the luxurious goods and government started fair price shop. Now third, understanding the need to improve agriculture sector. Government implemented many programs. So to uplift the condition of the rural area, to solve the problem of the agriculture, government implemented many rules. That is institutional reforms. I have already taught in the 10th chapter, students, like Land Ceiling Act, Regulation of Tenancy Act, Security of Cultivating Rights, etc. So that there is decrease in the income of the rich people, landlords, increase in the income of the farm laborers and the tenants. So when the land ceiling activity is done, so poor farmers, landless laborers will get the land and their income increases, and big landlords' income that decreases, so that there may be improvement in the condition of the poor. So this strategy, total 5 strategies are there, students. It is not compulsory to write it down full this. You can comprehend the answer and you can write it down. Now fourth strategy. Government has announced the policies to encourage agriculture related industries. So in the fourth strategy, announce a policy to encourage the agriculture and agriculture related industries like cattle rearing, dairy industry. Pisciculture means what? Fishing and afforestation. So students, you have to remember this. It helps in order to develop small irrigation scheme, household industries, cottage industries, small scale industries. With the agriculture, irrigation scheme, household industry, the people used to do in the 4 walls of the house, cottage industry and small scale industry. In order to make the people self-reliant, means self-independent, government has stress on labor-intensive technology industries. You know what even labor-intensive industry means? What? Labor-intensive industry are those industry in which maximum number of the human beings that are used and less number of the machines. That's called as labor-intensive industries, so that the employment increases. At the same time, it also announced the policies help many traditional industries, handloom, cottage industries. Arrangements have been made for the many household industries so that there is increase in the employment in the rural area. Pickle making, papad making, such type of industry established in the rural area. It has made the arrangement to see that the youth of the rural area got opportunities of alternative employment apart from the agriculture. For this purpose, objective-based education, training, skill development programs have been started. So youth, a young person of the village, will get the employment apart from the agriculture. Okay, so school skill development programs have been started. So government has implemented program of self employment, put a strategies part of a part as a part of strategies to improve their condition. Self employment program started by the government in the rural area for the young people. For this purpose, new fields of the employment have been opened so that their income increases. So, fourth strategy about increase means what? Development in the agriculture sector. Now, fifth strategy. Government has improved the structure of the education level increase, then health, then residence, employment, family planning, communication, etc. It has improved the irrigation facilities also, roads also, crop protection, skill and training field. Agriculture, development, varieties of crops, bank loans for obtaining seeds, fertilizers, tractors at a cheaper rate. Such type of variety of steps taken by the government for the upliftment of the people, those who are living in the urban rural area. Employment fields have been created in the home itself. Household industry, cottage industry, pickle making industry. So the youth does not migrate toward the cities. The rural people do not migrate toward the cities, which causes the burden of the population in the cities. It has started schools at the village, secondary, higher secondary schools have been opened at the close distance. So people are not going to the cities for the higher education. By starting colleges at the close distance, facilities has been created to provide technical, vocational courses, matlab computer courses, other courses, training centers. In order to take care those students complete their higher studies, they are encouraged by giving motivation in the form of economic help like scholarship, facility of fee, reduction of residential schools, promoting girls education. So encouragement for the person for getting the higher education, they are providing what? Scholarship to the rural youth. Many programs for the women empowerment have been started to make the women self-reliant economically. Various solid steps have been taken to create self-employment. Thus, government is taking valid steps to combat the damage of the poverty strategically. India will have to take firm steps to fulfill the dream of eradicating the deep-rooted problems of the poverty and complete the mission of the World Bank regarding the eradication of the poverty in the world by 2030. So students, from these 5 strategies you have to comprehend. Okay, 5 strategy, this is too big. Over here, various steps taken by the government, women empowerment programs taken by the government to remove the poverty, and according to World Bank, the poverty should be eradicated from the world by the 2030. Now the most important topic I am going to explain you, that is poverty alleviation program, that is PAP. Students, this is very important question, and total over here 14 poverty alleviation programs are given. So students, not all the programs will ask together. Each program will ask separately for 3 marks in a section C. Once again I am repeating, each programs will ask separately for 3 marks. So it is just an introduction, these 2 paragraphs. Then after I am going to teach you the poverty alleviation program. Total 14 poverty alleviation programs are there. And in between I will tell you also which are important. Okay, the most important frequently asked poverty alleviation programs in the board. So this is only introduction, students, that I am going to explain. In order to make poverty alleviation solution successful, the rural and urban people living below poverty line should get direct financial help from various welfare schemes. There may be a change in the name of these programs, but the basic objective is to create opportunity of employment for families suffering from poverty, improve agriculture, rural upliftment, food security, provide education, develop skill through training so that economic condition may improve, leading social security and may brought them above poverty line. So government started various measures to uplift the condition of the rural as well as the urban people. Present central and the state government have implemented many welfare programs. It has tried to improve the living standard of the poor in the cities by improving geographical and infrastructural service. With the reduction in the unemployment, poverty will reduce. So both the government, central as well as in the state government, try to reduce the poverty. Poverty alleviation program schemes divided into 5 sections, students. First, wage-based employment program. Second, self-employment programs. Third, programs related to food securities. Fourth, programs related to social safety. And fifth, programs of the elimination of the poverty in the urban areas. Presently, many series of programs are implemented in the 5 sections, but we will be making complied and omnibus discussion of main programs out of them as follows. So, main objectives of following schemes mentioned below to provide employment in the field of agriculture, irrigation, road, food security, organic farming, selling of agriculture products. So the direct income is earned which will improve the financial condition of the poor. So mostly the PAP program, this is mostly upliftment of the people, those who are living in the rural area. So this is just introduction, no need to do anything from this. Now I am going to explain you poverty alleviation programs. Now Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Students, this is very important program and this will ask for 3 marks in a section C. So you have to do it. Under National Agriculture Plan, there should be increase in the agriculture growth rate, sectors related to it, improvement in the irrigation facilities. So students, the heading user itself see Sinchai. Sinchai matlab irrigation. Irrigation facility should be provided in the rural area. Clear? So irrigation facility should reach every part of the agricultural land. Drip irrigation system should be used. So in every villages, irrigation facility should be reached and drip irrigation should be provided by the Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. Along with the construction of the small, big, medium-sized check dams to combat the water problem. To solve the water problem, check dams should be created so that every field gets the water. Such type of steps have been taken so that farmers are saved from the dangers of the agriculture and they become free from the vicious circle of the poverty by providing them employment in order to fulfill their income. So what is the main aim of this yojana? Mostly the farmers are dependent on the monsoon because they are not having the finance for getting the irrigation facilities. So they are doing agriculture activities for 4 months only. Remaining 8 months they are totally unemployed. So government will provide Sinchai Yojana, means irrigation facilities. So farmers are saved from the dangers of agriculture and debt मतलब कर्जे में डूब जाते हैं, they are committing suicide afterwards. So they become free from the vicious circle of the poverty. The circle that is not unbroken circle, that considered as vicious circle of poverty, and by providing them employment. Next, Prime Minister Farm Safety Insurance Plan. Prime Minister Farm Safety Insurance Plan. Now, insurance plan that provided by the Prime Minister. Farmers are to be helped at the time of a natural calamities. You know, natural calamities, by providing them economic supports. Okay, flood and all. Government started giving bonus at the purchase of cotton and concession at the loss and the damages of the crops. Kshutimuk Krishi Bhav Panch Yojana has been set up to stabilize the prices. Kshatimukh Krishi Bhav Panch Yojana that been set up to stabilize the price. Now, National Drinking Water Program. This is the important poverty alleviation program that started by government. National Drinking Program. Programs like providing water to every field, improve the existing canal work, okay, stop soil erosion, new tube wells for the tribals, Prevention of salinity, salinity means saline water, salty water, have been implemented. So what they will do for this? So government started this program, so digging ponds, watershed development nearby the river bodies, construction of the tanks, conservation of the rainwater through wash pipes, afforestation means growing of the trees, constructing lining of the canal, planting trees and the shrubs, renovation, revitalization of the check dams, repairing of the check dams and the renovation of the check dams have been started. So the people get employment in the rural area and family will get some income and they come out the danger circle of the poverty. State government has provided finance at a low rate of interest from the bank to the farmers. Farmer need a loan for purchasing of seeds, machineries and everything. For kharif crops, cattle rearing, storing fertilizers. Also taken a solid steps in irrigation schemes from the central government. Gujarat government has undertaken programs for poverty elimination. Since last 10 years, government has been organizing poverty welfare fair, Garib Melo we can consider as, for helping farmers become self-reliant. So students, this Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana National Drinking Water Program is important for 3 mark students. So here government is trying to solve the problem of the rural people. For that, digging the ponds, conservation of the rainwater, afforestation, constructing lining of the canal. So in all, they wanted to try to uplift the condition of the poor farmer, and state government will provide the loan to the farmer at a cheaper rate of interest. Now ENAM scheme, this is also important for 3 marks students. Under this program, agriculture market has been set up for the farmers. In the ENAM scheme, the agriculture market that's been set up for the farmers, in which farmer may get their product listed. Often we can see that farmer often cheated by the middleman. That middleman purchase the farm products from the farmers at a cheaper rate and sell such farm products in the market for the high rate. So in this way farmers are exploited. To overcome this exploitation, government has started the ENAM scheme. Online trader may bid from any places. Okay, so he can do the online things. Objectives of this plan to save the farmers from the loss faced by them due to the mediators and brokers. To save the farmer from the mediators and the brokers. More remuneration means income, on more economic profit due to the competition. So thus such steps should be taken with develop agriculture and yield maximum return, so the farmer remains involved in the agricultural business. So ENAM scheme, okay, so farmer will get the online information about their farm products. Now most important topic will ask, frequently asked in the exam, Gramoday to Bharat Uday scheme. This will ask for 3 marks students. So you have to do this. This scheme you have to do this. This poverty elevation program, elevation programs you have to do. Students, this is important. And this is too big also. So you can minimize the points for the 3 marks students. Okay. Gramoday to Bharat Uday means to develop the villages. Automatically whole country will develop. This topic meaning means to develop the village. Gramoday, develop the village, whole country will develop. So this is too big, so you can minimize it, okay, for 3 marks. Through such programs, farmer-oriented plans have been made to prevent the loss faced by farmers due to wild animals, damaging the crops by providing them economic help, to build the fencing to protect them the crops. So farmer mostly face the problem of the damaging the crops. The wild animals always damaging the crop. So to providing the help of the fencing to protect the crops. Production of grass for the cattle at the time of the crisis of drought, to help to construct the cattle shelter for rain forecasting, discovering mineral rich regions through ultra modern satellites and drone technique. Okay, so providing grass, so during the time of the drought, help to construct the cattle shelter, okay, to the farmer. Then rain forecasting, discovering mineral rich region, that will find out through the ultra modern technique of the drone technique. Follow students. Then provision is made to maintain record of land survey. Land survey record should be maintained. They get help in the form of availability of the finance at a low rate of interest for mechanization of the farming. So provision of the loan that given to the farmer, at a cheaper rate of interest, so they can mechanize their farming, means they can purchase a modern methodology, tractor, threshers, fertilizers and everything. For example, to produce tractor, mini tractor, help in the form of the subsidy, help in the construction of the water tank, improving the quality of the plantation crop, computerization in the agriculture. Finance society set up a new testing laboratory so they can test their soil structure. And for the production of the cotton, pulses, spices, management to see that farmers will get suitable prices for their farm products. Okay, and facilities giving to making ponds deep by removing the soil from them. Then increasing drops and size, construction of found ponds, cleaning the canals, the canal should be cleaned, and reservoirs for the water storage, and increasing their length. Then resettlement of the water tank, repairing the check dams, increasing the water storage facilities. So farmer will get the water whenever the rainfall is not there, problems of rainfall, the farmer will get the water. So farmers may get employment during the time apart from the farming. So doing such activities, the farmer will get the job opportunities. At the same time, permanent property is set up in the rural area. The central as well as state government have tried to save the farmers from the debt. Both the government should try to save the farmer from the debt by helping them through this scheme. So this is very important, students. You have to learn for 3 marks. Now next, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. Simple. Gram Jyoti. Jyoti means electricity. Providing electricity to the rural area, villages 24/7. Means 24 hours and 7 days. Okay. These plans is an effort to supply electricity to the rural area without any hindrance, means without any obstacles. 24/7 day and night. Providing electricity at homes and farms at a concessional rates. So Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana, providing electricities at the 24/7 days. So lays down new lines to take the electricity facilities for 18,000 villages. Okay. So which do not have electricities. Setting up the new electricity substation, helping farmer by providing subsidy to purchase the equipment for the agriculture sector. Clear? So the poor farmer may get support to increase the income. Subsidy is also providing the obtaining the electricity through solar energy and to purchase the solar technical equipments. You know that whenever we are purchasing solar plants, the government will give the subsidy to us. This is also important for 2 marks. Students, do it.